to Tips with Andrew. I am Andrew Sapiano. Thank you so much for joining me on this happy Sunday. I mean, I guess as happy as a Sunday could be, right? I hope you guys are having an awesome weekend so far. I hope you did. I hope you really had an awesome weekend. I hope you're ready for another wicked week ahead of us. Times to put some more of our hopes, goals, dreams, and ambitions into play and rock on with our lives. Quick update. This month, the free product of the month from doTERRA is Clementine. I actually really like Clementine. This one's like it's really calm and relaxing as well as uplifting and invigorating. It's a citrus oil, so just be careful with putting it on and going out in the sun. It can cause photosensitivity. That is not good. Quick thing about Clementine oil. It's a natural hybrid of the mandarin and the sweet orange. Produces an essential oil abundant in limonene with an array of benefits. Fun fact about Clementine, the name is after Brother Marie Clement, who ran an orphanage in Misurgin, Algeria during the late 19th century and grew the very first clementines in their garden. Cool, well, yeah, all right. So if you're interested in free stuff, definitely drop me a comment, send me a message. We'll get you rocking with that. I am just about to launch a weight loss course that I put together. It's an online course for beginners. If you or somebody you know of is interested in joining, getting early bird access, now's the time to get it. Send me a comment, drop me a comment, send me a message, and we'll get you rocking and rolling. Today is World Laughter Day. Oh yeah, all right. So what I wanted to do today was come on. Hello from Nova Scotia. Oh dang. P. Hubble, hello from Nova Scotia. We're out here in Toronto, Ontario. Thank you for joining us, taking time out of your busy schedule to be on this show with us. Thank you very much. I hope everything is awesome with you. I hope you are staying safe and staying healthy and rocking out whatever you are up to these days. So today is World Laughter Day. And, let's have a laugh, right? Let's have a laugh. Let's do things that make us more happy on a daily basis. That's what I wanted to come on here and talk a little bit about. We are in a total lockdown. Yeah, you're preaching to the converted over here, brother. We are in our third lockdown. We don't have any real where to go except for work, which is funny too because you can't go to the store and buy stuff for your car. I realized that today. So as much as we are told to go to work, we are not able to buy anything to fix our cars. That is great on our government's part. But looks like we're in the same boat, and I hope you're doing awesome. Hopefully I can provide some entertainment for you tonight, and we get some good things going on. So that's especially nowadays, right? We, there's not too much going on. They're talking to, P. Hubble here, total lockdown in Nova Scotia, total lockdown over here. There's not really too much going on. Not really too many reasons to get excited about life at the current moment, which is all the more reason to get excited about life at the current moment. There is so many opportunities and possibilities going on right now, and I'm super excited to share some of the ways that help me to sort of get a little bit of laughter in my life and upbeat sensibility, I guess, if you will, on a daily basis, and want to share them with you. Hopefully you can get some value out of them. Hopefully they help you too. So what I wanted to do right off the bat is I've got some jokes here. I've got a page of jokes. I'm going to tell some jokes. Some of them, I think they're all hilarious. Tina is, she's on a different thought process than I am, but it is what it is. So here I go. What do you call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear. Yes. What do you call a dinosaur with a great vocabulary? A thesaurus. What do you call a cow in an earthquake? A milkshake. Yeah. What do you call an acid with an attitude? Amino acid. I like that one. Two guys walked into a bar. The third guy ducked. And my last one, why did the coach go to the bank? To get his quarterback. That's a sports one, football joke if anybody's out there liking sports. So that's, some of those, it is what it is. Sometimes you gotta have a little bit of stupidity to get a little bit of laugh. And, if you can't laugh at yourself, who can you laugh at, right? So let's get into the tips that I have to sort of help me laugh on a daily basis. For me, I kind of like doing, stuff like that, saying jokes that aren't really too funny, but kind of make you shake your head. But my number one tip more than anything is smile, right? Smiling. Anytime you're in a bad mood, forcing yourself to smile, you almost can't help but sort of release a little bit of tension. Even, if, at the current moment, you're not really finding too much to be happy about, you can't help but look at yourself in the mirror smiling and not sort of, just break down a little bit and chuckle, even if it's just to laugh at how dumb you look in the mirror smiling. But actually, smiling is also a great thing too, because it actually takes more muscles to smile than it does to frown. So if you look at it that way, it's actually kind of working out, right? You're exercising by smiling. And so you're burning calories, right? And if there's something to get happy about, it's burning calories, right? Slimming down, losing some weight, right? So that's something to smile about, I think. Smiling it makes other people around you just sort of calm down, right? Relax, get at ease. Smiling is really an easy thing that you can do almost anywhere to get an instantaneous, laugh out of yourself. Really way to, focus in on something different than what's going on at your current moment, right? Something's going on and you're not really thinking about too much more. Just force yourself to smile. It helps me, right? So that's what I'm trying to say. Helps me. Maybe it won't help you. I don't know. But like I said, if nothing else, it burns calories, right? So that's something to get excited about. Number 2, watch funny videos, right? I'm talking YouTube. Netflix has a whole array of comedy shows, movies, if you wanted to go that route. But, the funny videos, especially, quick little things. There's the thing called Fail Army is one of those. There's, other people all the time, they're recording themselves doing some, not smart stuff. And, and for the rest of us, it can make us laugh. And, it's really easy to get sucked down a rabbit hole of some sorts, in that instance, right? So you watch funny videos. And, there's going to be something that eventually you end up liking, making you smile. And at the very least, if you can break that sort of initial barrier, right? If you're really grumpy and you don't really care about too much and everything's going wrong, if you can break that initial barrier and get that little bit of a chuckle out of you, or, just that little smirk, that, right? The nose, the sniffle, if you will, type thing, right? Just that initial barrier to break down. And then that way, you almost force yourself to laugh a little bit even harder, right? You're trying to make up for lost time, I guess, if you will. Funny videos are an easy way to start laughing, because there's always people doing stuff that, is not normal, I guess, if you will, but is super funny, super entertaining. And, Fail Army is just one that I can think of right off the top of my head. I don't actually, it's super easy, right? Just Google funny videos, YouTube funny stuff, even quick videos, you could probably even Google quick funny videos and it'll come up with short snippets of videos that, that'll make you laugh, for at least a good chunk of time to get your mind off of what's going on at the current moment. Number 3, review old memories. This one's cool. On Facebook, they come up with those memories that you posted all the time. But also, talking to family members, old friends, right? Bringing up old times that you used to have. Maybe going through your old phone. This one was really cool, actually. I did this one a little bit ago, going through the old phone, and then all of the pictures come up and the memories come back. Everything comes back. Stuff that you didn't even remember happening. Everything comes back, and you're like, oh man, that was super fun or super lame, right? Or like, I don't even know why I took a picture of that, but. This one is cool, again, as a way to sort of get your mind off of what's going on at your current moment. So as a way to, bring up something different to get your mind off of it so that you're thinking of something not depressing at the current moment. You're kind of off in Neverland starting to think about, that trip that you took, or, that picture that you got out in the woods over there, or maybe what that whole picture led into, that scenario or that moment in time, right? So it's a really easy way to sort of distract yourself from the current moment and bring yourself back into a time that was super exciting for you, super awesome to think about, to talk about, to, even if you reenact it, even if you think about how to bring that stuff back into your life nowadays, right? That reviewing old memories, it can be some of the most satisfying thing that you can do. Number 4, choose happiness. This one is really because, there's so many things going on around the world. There's so many people, I think about this, especially, over us here in North America, right? Canada, USA. We have so much to be grateful for. And there's countries in Africa that don't have enough water, right? They're dying from not clean drinking water. Down South America, right? Some of those countries just live in dirty, disgusting, filthy areas that, they dream of having clean water, right? Some of those countries, it takes them like 6-7 hours round trip just to get a bucket of clean water, right? And for us, right, we just turn on the tap. And I mean, maybe it's got a little bit of gunk in the thing, right? You get a Brita filter. I mean, I'm positive half the world has no idea what a Brita filter is. So, that's where there's so much to be grateful for over here. And, this is where choosing happiness really has to be something that, you go out of your way to do, right? It's so easy for you to think about how you don't have, that latest designer watch, or, how you had to have hand-me-down clothes. For me, I'm an oldest child, right? So I didn't really have too many of that. But, my brother and sister definitely hand-me-down clothes. Like, I don't get new clothes, right? There's so many things, I don't have a brand new car, or, my car's a little bit older, or, there's so many things that on a daily basis we go through and complain about, compare ourselves to different people, right? There's so many, keeping up with the Kardashians, they call it, right? If you're trying to get stuff that's outside of your spending zone. So that's where you have to choose just to be grateful for what you have, what you already own. When you're grateful for what you have, this is the way that the universe works, right? When you're grateful for what you have, you tend to get more of it. And when you're thinking about what you don't have and all the stuff that you don't have, you tend to get more of what you don't have. Or you want more of what you can't have, right? That's the way the universe works, and you need to put the universe on your side. The way that it got explained to me was, if you think negative thoughts, you will get negative results. If you think positive results, you will get positive results. So that's where you have to really put your law of cause and effect into play. You need to think positively in order to reap positive results. Or to sow positive results, I guess, if we will. If you think negatively, you will sow negative thoughts. That's the way your mind works. It's always at work. So you want to consciously put happiness in your mind, positive thoughts, or else it's automatically going to go to either negative or nothing, and that's what you're going to get in your life. My last tip, more than anything, is essential oils. I actually Hold on 1 second. Got them right here. Cool. So this is actually a blend that I made by myself. I call it the Mood Swingers. And this one is a blend of frankincense, lavender, peppermint, and citrus bliss. Love these oils in this blend. It's great for calming and relaxing all at the same time. I called it the Mood Swingers because of that. It's a calming and relaxing blend all at the same time. I love the way it has the ability to, to lift me up and invigorate me out of that, that down mood. And also it has the ability to sort of put me in a calm, wind down mood that's perfect for relaxing when I'm trying to wind down at the end of a tough day. My other blend that I have here is a Mavi, and a Mavi is a blend of woodsy oils that are. I love this one. I actually love using this one for as a cologne. What I do is I just rub it on my pulse points right there. Use it just like that. And then that way I have that as a cologne. It's got, woodsy oils in it, so it's great for calming, relaxing. I mean, I feel like I'm walking through a forest right now. It's so nice and relaxing and just putting me at a calm state of bliss, if you will. That's all I got for you for today. I really hope you enjoyed this. I know I had some fun making it. Feel free to share this with your friends, a family member, perhaps somebody from your team that you feel needs to hear this. If you'd like to learn more about essential oils or how to get your hands on some of this cool stuff that I'm talking about, or if you would like a free sample of oils, definitely drop me a comment, send me a message saying me, and we'll get you rocking and rolling. Thank you so much for joining me. I really hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your Sunday evening. Oh, you use essential oils too? Yeah, all right, Hubble. Yeah, that's awesome. That's amazing. I'm so glad to hear that. That's wicked. I really hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your weekend and an even better week ahead, and I look very forward to talking to you again. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye for now.